Welcome to watch today's fresh home. A sculptural home by Mason Bright Architects. Aberfeldie Residence pairs refined materials with purposeful lighting by Lights to create a calm and contemporary retreat in Melbourne. On a quiet corner in Aberfeldie in Melbourne sits Aberfeldie Residence by Mason Bright Architects, a beautiful example of modern architecture where sculptural forms and materiality unite to create an elegant and functional home. With its distinctive silhouette, the residence doesn't impose itself on the streetscape but, rather, asserts a quiet presence,